Hi, this is Brian Clemmer. By now, we're probably old friends. You've seen me speak or you've read an email out of Eating the Elephant One Bite at a Time. I hope you're enjoying those lessons. Years ago, I looked at life as a child and then later on in business, and it seemed to me that people went one of two ways. One way was they were nice, kind, caring individuals. But unfortunately, many times those people were not big producers in life, whether it's business, sports, politics, marriage, whatever. The other type of person was somebody that was a massive producer. Unfortunately, many times those people were self-centered, ego-oriented, greedy, even non-ethical. And so what I've been doing for years with Clemmer & Associates is training people to be massive result producers and yet have their whole life about contribution or service, making a difference. Unfortunately, if you ask most teenagers today, their definition of success, it'll probably revolve around accumulation, acquisition, or consumption. It won't be about making a difference. And yet, this combination of being a massive result producer and yet being very ethical, very principled person, very contribution-oriented, is what companies pay for because it's the way of really rising to the top and staying at the top. It's what individuals need to have an extraordinary marriage instead of an ordinary marriage and be able to maintain it for 20, 30 years. It's what is needed today in raising children. I've raised 3 of them. They're all in their 20s, and I don't care where you live, it's challenging raising kids in today's world. So if you're like most people, and you're out there in life doing something, you have challenges. Perhaps you're a baby boomer like me, and maybe you have a parent that needs significant care. Maybe it's you're raising a child and one of the children has gone astray a bit. Maybe it's you've been caught up in the economic crunch and you've lost your job, or you're in a job that's not paying you what you're worth or not utilizing all your gifts and talents. Or maybe it's just that you've been at marriage for 20 years and you've lost some of the honeymoon romance. Well, that's why I wrote the book, The Compassionate Samurai. It's all about the kind of person that's a mega producer and yet their whole life is about contribution. And there's 10 traits that make up this compassionate samurai. Traits like abundance, certainly needed in today's economic times, trust, honesty, personal responsibility. One of my friends is a gentleman named Jim Stovall. Jim is an incredible individual. He's the epitome of what I'd call a compassionate samurai. Jim was on track to be a college All-American football player. Then he was going to go on in the NFL. And then in his 20s, he went blind. And despite that severe circumstance, Jim did not end up in the NFL. But what he did do is he won a gold medal in the Olympics. He won Entrepreneur of the Year award. He has a very successful satellite company. He has also won Humanitarian of the Year award, along with people like Mother Teresa. He's an incredible philanthropist and donates to many, many causes, and his whole life is about contribution. He's a compassionate samurai in my mind. And you and I, we don't have the challenges that maybe Jim had of going blind, nothing that extreme, but we do have these other challenges I've mentioned. And in the book, I not only mention Jim, but I go through the 10 traits that are required to be a compassionate samurai. Because the important thing is not to be impressed with some other person like Jim Stovall, but to be impressed with yourself. You, I, every individual on the planet can be a compassionate samurai and get the things out of life that we deserve, and just as importantly, make a difference for other people as we were born and designed to do. I have a DVD that goes along with the book. The DVD isn't exactly like the book, but it parallels it. It goes through the 10 traits as I talk on each chapter, each trait of honesty, trust, honor, these different traits. I mentioned some stories that are not included in the book. So it's a great complement. They go together and they can be done individually. If you buy the DVD on our website for $39, you get the book, which is offered in most bookstores at $24.95, absolutely free. We hope that these items, the book and the DVD, will assist you in overcoming any challenges that you might have and contribute to others in a significant way.